Now you're listening to me. I don't know if you were listening before, so maybe I was this whole time without audio. Not good. My mic has some issues, and yeah, should be fine. Let's see. Um, Open recent? No, open. And then let's go where downloaded. It's documents, lab related, Ontology. And open CL edit. CL edit is inside source slash ontology slash cledit.owl. Uh-huh. Note the ontology IRI field. Now I have the CL open here. Of course, the IRI is the IRI of the ontology. Looks good. Protegé user interface, tabs and panels, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Annotations and a lot of cool stuff and very important details. And before browsing or searching an ontology, it's useful to run an listener first. So I will run the elk reasoner, start reasoner, and it will make me a lot of questions here, or just open this. Yeah, it's making me questions. It will make a lot of those. It's making on the other windows, so you're lucky that you're not seeing them, but it is mildly annoying. Okay, entities tab. So have tabs, different perspectives, and ontology. We care about the entities tab, the DL query tab, following the tutorial here, and the search tool. It's here in the top. Well, entities include classes, relations, and annotations properties. Split in two halves, blah blah blah, search and Protegé, show results, and now it's explaining how to use it. This is very carefully written, so kudos to who did that. I think, I don't know, if I name, I will make mistakes, but I think it was to some degree Nicole Vasilevsky. Maybe I mispronounced that. And David Joseph Sutherland and Alexander Deal. I'm querying Protegé, but I don't want to do any of this. I just set up, yeah, editing this ontology, setting up preferences for new entities, ontology terms, blah 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 blah. Yeah, you can set an ID strategy using the new entities tab under Protegé preferences, file preferences, new entities metadata. Is that what it should be? No, new entities, not new entities metadata. And now I should select specified URI. The URI is portal.obolibrary.org/obo/ followed by var auto-generated ID prefix CL. It's numeric, iterative. It should start my ID range. I don't remember my ID range. So let's go this ontology GitHub. Ontology. Stop. Okay. And I have my IG space. I don't know how to find that, actually. But I will look for my name. I think this. Yeah, my ID range. There's a file called CL ID ranges, which shows the ID ID ranges. I have from 17,000 and no, it's 7 digits and should start from 17,000. I don't remember my last CL added. I will start on 17,010. This doesn't really matter because it's numeric, but this means that there will be some gaps. It's just that I haven't sent more than 10 terms, so I'm just being fairly, I don't know, conservative. And yeah, so the D range and the end of my D range is, I think it's 17.4 dot slash, yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. And now I have to set preferences for user details. User details. Use supplier username, which is my GitHub username. No, I use Git username when available. It's Thiago Lubiana, but that's, I don't know. I don't know why it's different, but now I have to put my orchid. Here's my orchid. 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 Where is it? What is CG? You can have a Protegé add a create. You can have Protegé add a creative annotation with your orchid or GitHub username for every new term you create. The new now is the new metadata tab. New entities metadata. New entity is a creator, and here is the creator property. Use orchid and looks fine. Looks fine. All right. So I think I'm all set, and now I can come back to editing the CL as I once was in the past. So that's it. Thank you for joining, and see you next time.